Hello students, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 1 factors and multiples, lecture number 2. In this lecture I shall discuss about introduction to factors, properties of factors, common factor and exercise 1b. Now, introduction to factors. Factors are the multiples which exactly divide the given number. Factors multiples हैं जो गिवन नंबर को एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड करते हैं. इसका मीनिंग आपका रिमाइंडर क्या होगा इसमें? ज़ीरो. इफ रिमाइंडर इज ज़ीरो देन दैट नंबर इज एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल. I will explain you by an example. See, for example, question number 1. Divide 55 by 5. First we will divide 55 by 5. See, this 5 1 ja 5. Then we will do subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. And then we will take next number, that is 5. Right here, 5. Again, 5 1 ja 5. And then we will do subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. Here quotient is 11 and remainder is 0. When we divide 55 by 5, the quotient is 11 and there is no remainder left. This means that 55 is exactly divisible by 5. अगर आपका कोई भी रिमाइंडर नहीं आता या रिमाइंडर आपका 0 आता है, then that number is exactly divisible. Here 55 is exactly divisible by 5. Thus we can say that 5 is a factor of 55. It means we can say that 5 is a factor of 55. Now question number 2. Divide 35 by 7. We will divide 35 by 7. After division, see answer 35 is exactly divisible by 7 with quotient 5 and remainder 0. Thus 7 is a factor of 35. Now question number 3. Find the factors of 81. Now we have to calculate the factors of 81. Answer, see, हमें 81 के फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं. देखो 81 मीन्स हमें ऐसे नंबर्स में मल्टीप्लाई करना है दो नंबर्स को कि आपका जो आंसर आए, प्रोडक्ट आए, वो क्या है? 81. आंसर सी 1 मल्टीप्लाई 81 इक्वल 81. ओ वी कैन राइट 81 मल्टीप्लाई 1 इक्वल 81. नेक्स्ट सी 3 मल्टीप्लाई 27 इक्वल 81 और 27 मल्टीप्लाई 3 इक्वल 81. Now this 81 is not divisible by 4. Now check 5 is 81 is not divisible by 5. Now check 6. 81 is not divisible by 6. Next 81 is not divisible by 7. Next 81 is not divisible by 8. See 9. 81 is divisible by 9. See 9 multiply 9 equal 81. So 81 is exactly divisible by 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Thus 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81 are the factors of 81. Now question number 4. Find the factors of 21. Now we have to calculate the factors of 21. Answer C. 1 multiply 21 equal 21 or 21 multiply 1 equal 21. Now next, see 21 is not divisible by 2. Now check for 3. 21 is divisible by 3. 3 multiply 7 equal 21 or 7 multiply 3 equal 21. So 21 is exactly divisible by 1, 3, 7 and 21. Thus 1, 3, 7 and 21 are the factors of 21. Now question number 5. Divide 42 by 5. We will divide 42 by 5. Answer C. We will do division. See, 5 8 ja 40 and then we will do subtraction. See, 2 minus 0 2, 4 minus 4 0. Hence quotient equal 8 and remainder equal 2. When we divide 42 by 5, the quotient is 8 and leaves remainder 2. This means that 42 is not exactly divisible by 5. Thus we can say that 5 is not the factor of 42. Now next topic, properties of factors. First property, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 फैक्टर है every number का. Second property, a number is a factor of itself. नंबर एक फैक्टर है उसी नंबर का. थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी, every factor of a number is either less than or equal to the given number. I will explain you by an example. See, factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now see, every factor of a number is either less than or equal to the given number and given number is 16. Now see, this 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the factors and these are less than 16. Now see, 16 and 16 is equal to the given number, that is 16. Now some points to remember. First point, 1 is the smallest factor of a number. किसी भी नंबर का स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर 1 है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, ए नंबर इज द ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर ऑफ इटसेल्फ. कोई भी नंबर का जो ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर है वो क्या है, वही सेम नंबर. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, कॉमन फैक्टर. व्हाट इज कॉमन फैक्टर? ए नंबर which is a factor of 2 or more numbers is called a common factor. सपोज आपको 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा आपको नंबर्स गिवन है. इफ़ वी विल कैलकुलेट फैक्टर्स, आपने हमके फैक्टर्स कैलकुलेट किए तो उन दो नंबर्स में जो उनके फैक्टर्स हैं, अगर वो नंबर जो भी सेम आएगा दोनों नंबर्स में, तो वो हमारा क्या होगा, कॉमन फैक्टर. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू बाय एन एग्जाम्पल. सी, example number 1, find out the common factors of 18 and 24. We have to find the common factors of 18 and 24. First we will write the factors of 18 and then factors of 24. Answer C. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Now see, the numbers, same numbers in both the factors. See, 1 is same, so mark 1. Now next number 2, both on both, so mark 2. Now this 3, same, we will mark 3. Now see, 4, but here 4 is not there, so we will not mark. Now see, 6, here it also 6, so mark 6. Now next 8, 8 is not there, so we will not mark. Next 9, not there. 18, not there. 12, not. 24, not. So common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So common factors of 18 and 24 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So solve the following questions. Exercise 1B from Together with a Science book term 2. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. A part. Can a factor of the given number be greater than the number? Yes or no? See, can a factor of the given number be greater than the number? क्या गिवन नंबर का जो फैक्टर है क्या ग्रेटर देन होगा उसी नंबर से? नो. आंसर नो. ए फैक्टर ऑफ द गिवन नंबर कैन नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन द नंबर. Either that should be less than or equal to the given number. It should not be greater than the number. B part. To check if a number is a factor of the other, we divide or multiply. See, we have to check that whether that number is a factor of the other. So we divide that. Answer. To check if a number is a factor of the other, we divide. Now, C part. The number of factors of a number is unlimited or limited. Numbers of factors अब यहाँ पे कोई भी गिवन नंबर के अनलिमिटेड और लिमिटेड मीन्स लिमिटेड में है या फिर बहुत अनलिमिटेड में मीन्स बहुत सारे हैं या फिर थोड़े हैं. अनलिमिटेड मीन्स बहुत सारे जिनकी काउंटिंग नहीं हो सकती. वी कांट काउंट. आंसर. द नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ ए नंबर इज लिमिटेड. नाउ डी पार्ट. 1 इज ए फैक्टर और मल्टीपल ऑफ एवरी नंबर. आंसर. 1 इज ए फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर. नाउ question number 2. List out the factors of the given numbers table. It is given numbers are given and exactly divisible by factors. We have to write here factors. Now calculate factors of 1. That is 1. Now factors of 3, 1 and 3. Factors of 7, 1 and 7. Factors of 17, 1 and 17. Now factors of 31. That is 1 and 31. Now factors of 91. 1, 7, 13 and 91. Now next numbers. 8. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Now factor of 26. 1, 2, 13 and 26. Now factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now factors of 49. That is 1, 7 and 49. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A part. 7 multiply 8 equal 56. 7 and 6 are dash of 56. 7 and 8 are factors of 56. Answer C. 7 multiply 8 equal 56. 7 and 8 are factors of 56. B part. 9 multiply 3 equal 27. Dash and dash are factors of dash. See, 3 and 9 are factors of 27. See, answer. 9 multiply 3 equal 27. 3 and 9 are factors of 27. E part, the greatest factor of a number is the dash. Answer, the greatest factor of a number is the number itself. Now, question number 4th. List out the factors of A part 36. Now, we have to find the factors of 36. Answer, C. 1 multiply 36 equal 36 or 36 multiply 1 equal 36. Next, 2 multiply 18 equal 36 or 18 multiply 2 equal 36. Next, 3 multiply 12 equal 36 or 12 multiply 3 equal 36. Next, 4 multiply 9 equal 36 or 9 multiply 4 equal 36. Now next, 6 multiply 6 equal 36. Next, 9. So 9 multiply 4 equal 36. We have written. Thus 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 are the factors of 36. Next part, C part, 27. Now we have to find the factors of 27. Answer, C. 1 multiply 27 equal 27 or 27 multiply 1 equal 27. Next, 3 multiply 9 equal 27 or 9 multiply 3 equal 27. Thus 1, 3, 9 and 27 are the factors of 27. Now, D part, 63. Now we have to find the factors of 63. Answer, C. 1 multiply 63 equal 63 or 63 multiply 1 equal 63. Next, 3 multiply 21 equal 63 or 21 multiply 3 equal 63. Next, 7 multiply 9 equal 63 or 9 multiply 7 equal 63. Thus 1, 3, 7, 9, 21 and 63 are the factors of 63. Now next question number 5. Circle the number in which the first number is a factor of second. Now we have to circle that number which is in which the first number is a factor of second. जो फर्स्ट नंबर हमारा फैक्टर होगा सेकंड नंबर का, वो हमें नंबर सर्कल्स करने हैं. देखो, ए पार्ट 4,36, बी पार्ट 7,40, सी पार्ट 11 multiply 99. See, 4,36. Now see that the first number is a factor of second. See, 36 is divisible by 4. So 4 is a factor of 36. So circle this number. Now see, 7,40. Check after division that 40 is not divisible by 7. So 7 is not a factor of 40. So we will not circle this number. Now see next number, C part, 11,99. See, after division that see 11 is a factor of 99. So circle this number. Now see, D part 9,71, E part 8,64, F part 14,82. Now see 9,71. After division, see 71 is not divisible by 9. So 9 is not a factor of 71. So we will not circle this number. Now see E part 8,64. After division, see 64 is divisible by 8. So 8 is a factor of 64. So circle this number. Now F part 14, 82. After division, this 82 is not divisible by 14. So 14 is not a factor of 82. So we will not circle this number. Now question number 6. A part. Circle the numbers that have 3 as a factors. We have to circle that numbers that have 3 as factors. Means those numbers which are divisible by 3. 1, 3, 8, 12, 18, 21, 23, 24, 30. Now see, 1, no. Next number 3 is divisible by 3. So 3 has a factor of 3. So we will circle this number 3. Now see 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So 8 is a number that does not have 3 as a factor. Now next number 12. See, 12 is divisible by 3. So 12 is a number that have 3 as a factors. Now see 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So 18 is a number that have 3 as a factor. Now see next number 21. 21 is divisible by 3. So we will circle this number, that is 21. So 21 is a number that have 3 as a factor. Now next number see 23. 23 is not divisible by 3. So 23 is not a number that have 3 as a factor. Now see next number 24 is divisible by 3. So 24 is a number that have 3 as a factor. So we will circle this number. Now see 30. 30 is divisible by 3. So 30 is a number that have 3 as a factor. So we will circle this number. So this 3, 12, 18, 21, 24 and 30 are the numbers that have 3 as a factors. Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 1B from Together with Essence book term 2. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. C part dash, comma, 2, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, dash are factors of 20. D part dash is a factor of every number. F part when a number is divided by its factor, there is no dash left. Question number 4. List out the factors of B part 45, E part 72, F part 92. Question number 6. B part. Circle the numbers that have 9 as a factors. 18, 22, 27, 35, 36, 63. These are the questions assigned as homework. I hope you have done homework assigned in lecture number 1 of chapter number 1. Now I will discuss solution of homework assigned in lecture number 1. Solve the following questions. Exercise 1A. Question number 1. B part. Write the first 6 multiples of 2. We have to write the first 6 multiples of 2. We will multiply this 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Answer C. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 are the first 6 multiples of 2. D part. Write the first 3 multiples of 12. We have to write the first 3 multiples of 12. We will multiply this 12 by 1, 2 and 3. Answer C. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36. Here 12, 24 and 36 are the first 3 multiples of 12. Now question number 2. A part. Write the second multiple of 10. We have to write the second multiple of 10. We will multiply this 10 by 2, means 10 2 ja 20. Answer C. The second multiple of 10 is 20. C part, write the fifth multiple of 6. We have to write the fifth multiple of 6. So we will multiply this 6 by 5. 6 5 ja 30. Answer C. The fifth multiple of 6 is 30. Question number 3. Write the next 5 multiples in each. B part, 9, 18, 27, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, dash. We have to write the next 5 multiples. Here see, 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja, 9 3 ja, 9 4 ja, 9 5 ja, 9 6 ja, 9 7 ja, 9 8 ja. Answer C. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 8 ja 72. Here the next 5 multiples are 36, 45, 54, 63 and 72. Now question number 6. B part. Circle the multiples of 10. 10, 14, 28, 30, 60, 64, 72, 86, 100, 1000. We have to circle the multiples of 10. See, 10. We will circle this number 10. Now see 14. 14 is not a multiple of 10. We will not circle this number. Next number 28. 28 is not a multiple of 10. 30. 30 is a multiple of 10. We will circle this number 30. Now next number 60 is a multiple of 10. So circle this number 60. Now next number 64. 64 is not a multiple of 10. Next number 72 is not a multiple of 10. Next number 86 is not a multiple of 10. Next number 100 is a multiple of 10. So circle this number 100. Now next number 1000. 1000 is a multiple of 10. So circle this number 1000. Now E part. Write the first 5 common multiples of 2 and 4. We have to find the first common multiples of 2 and 4. First we will write the multiples of 2 and then we will write multiples of 4. Answer C. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and so on. Now multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Now see, common numbers, see this 2, here it is not, so 4, mark 4. Now next 6. 6 is a multiple of 2 but 6 is not a multiple of 4. So we will not mark this. Now see 8, mark 8. Now next number, this 10 is not there, here 4 in the 12, mark 12. 14, not. 16 says mark 16 and 18 no. 20, mark 20. Now see, first 5 common multiples 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20 are the first 5 common multiples of 2 and 4. These were the solutions assigned in lecture number 1. Now kindly subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.